Question: how good is your mobility? Can you move freely, or are your joints and muscles tight and stiff? If your answer is the latter, no problem. It is March, and you know what that means? My March challenge starts right now. It's March Mobility. We're dedicating the whole month on mobility. We're gonna loosen up those tight joints and muscles and make you a stronger and healthier version of you. Mobility is life. I know when you think about your fitness journey, most people think about getting stronger, losing weight, improving your cardio, but mobility is the most important component in your fitness journey. Mobility is your ability to move in a range of motion that your body has intended. So you're supposed to be able to twist, to bend, to reach in full ranges of motion so you can accomplish everyday tasks without the risk of pain and injury. It's so vital. So we're focusing on that this month in the form of a challenge. All my new routines this month are gonna be mobility centric. Don't worry, we're still covering the bases. Our strength routine is mobility centric, so we're gonna be waking up those dormant muscles, but at the same time, we're taking our joints and muscles through different ranges of motion. Same for our core routine. We're strengthening those core muscles and building that core endurance, but at the same time, we are moving fluidly, doing dynamic movements, taking our body through full ranges of motion. We have a mobility and movement routine, a seated chair routine to counter the effects of sedentary life, and of course, mobility from bed that you can perform from the comfort of your bed. I love that one. It feels absolutely amazing. Let's do this together. It's not a challenge that you want to miss. Each and every one of you, regardless of your fitness level, will benefit from this month's challenge. It's so easy to join. Go directly to justinagustin.com, sign up to a plan, and jump right in. Along with this month's challenge, you will have access to all previous challenges and also all my courses, including my workouts with Kathleen, low impact routines that you see on my social media, but in full length 10 to 20 minute routines, and brand new this month, a beginner boxing routine, which I'll talk about more in detail during this month. But it's available to you right now. With your subscription, you have access to the Justin Agustin Fitness app that you can use on your phone, on your tablet, and on your smart TV if you have the App Store, Google Play, Roku, and Fire TV. Let's do this together. You're gonna feel absolutely amazing after this challenge. You totally got this. Let's go.